For centuries, military power was measured in troops and tanks. But in 2020, an AI-controlled drone swarm by the Israeli military neutralized an entire enemy battery without human intervention. This marks a paradigm shift. Computation is now the ultimate force multiplier, rendering traditional troop counts obsolete in high-tech conflicts. The evolution is stark. In World War II, the Battle of Stalingrad saw 2 million casualties over 6 months. Compare this to a 2022 cyber attack on Ukraine's power grid that crippled military infrastructure in hours, executed by a team of 20 hackers. Computational warfare achieves strategic impact with minimal physical risk, rewriting the rules of engagement. DARPA's 2023 trials proved AI fighter pilots outperform humans in dogfights, making 250 micro-decisions per second versus a pilot's 50. Autonomous systems process satellite data, weather patterns, and enemy movements simultaneously, eliminating human cognitive limits. The OODA loop, observe, orient, decide, act, that defined 20th century warfare is now dominated by silicon. Israel's Fire Factory AI processes 10,000 plus Gaza targets daily, a task requiring 500 human analysts. Modern militaries invest more in server farms than barracks. The U.S. Joint AI Center's Project Maven analyzes drone footage 100x faster than humans, proving data processing is now as vital as ammunition supplies were to past armies. The 2010 Stuxnet virus destroyed 1,000 Iranian centrifuges without a single soldier deployed. Today, 90% of military strategists consider cyber attacks on infrastructure, power grids, water systems, communications, more devastating than conventional strikes. Computational warfare operates in the invisible spectrum, where ones and zeros replace bullets. In 2024, a $20 million AI system helped Ukrainian drones sink a $750 million Russian warship. This exemplifies asymmetric computational warfare, where cheap, smart algorithms defeat expensive hardware. Non-state actors now access open-source AI tools, democratizing destruction once reserved for superpowers. Troop numbers matter less when a $500 drone can disable a $10 million tank. Human operators suffer fatigue after 12-hour shifts monitoring drones, but AI systems like China's Sharp Eyes process border surveillance endlessly. During a 72-hour Taiwan Strait crisis, AI maintained 98% alertness versus human teams' 63%. The future battlefield never sleeps, and neither do the algorithms controlling it. When an autonomous Turkish drone struck civilians in Libya in 2021, debates raged. Who's responsible? The programmer? The general? The AI itself? International laws written for human soldiers struggle to address algorithmic decisions made in milliseconds. Computation enables precision but obscures moral agency, a Faustian bargain of modern warfare. The Pentagon's $1.5 billion AI Next program mirrors China's $2 billion military brain project. Both seek quantum supremacy for unbreakable encryption and hypersonic missile guidance. Unlike nuclear tech, AI advancements spread rapidly, making computational dominance fleeting. Today's superpowers compete not in troop deployments, but in teraflops and neural network depth. Revisiting our opening scene, imagine a nation clinging to troop numbers while rivals deploy AI swarms. History shows militaries resisting technological shifts, like cavalry charges against machine guns, face obsolescence. The future belongs not to the largest army, but to those who best weaponize computation. Adaptation isn't optional, it's survival.